Hi everybody, this is Lady Gaga. Hi everybody, this is Jesus Christ. Hi everybody, this is Lady Gaga, founder of Haus Labs. My makeup is available now exclusively at Sephora and houselabs.com. Today I'm going to be showing you an everyday artistry look that I created, and I already put on some foundation and a little bit of mascara, and I'm excited to get started. I'm going to use 7 of our products and they're all here, so please get comfortable. We're going to talk about makeup. First, I'm going to be starting with our high power pigment paint, which I love so much. It is packed with plant squalene as well as hyaluronic acid, so it's very hydrating for your eyes, lips, cheeks, or body. And I'm going to be using it today as a blush, and it's shade Blush Matte. I put a dot on each cheek and blend up into the temple. This gives a nice natural glow, which I really, really love. And what's very special about my line is that all of our makeup is infused with skincare, so you're actually hydrating your cheeks. I have a little excess on my fingers, and I'm gonna put this in the corners right here in my upper brow bone. I find that this adds just a little bit of an extra flush. I am going to show you things in stages. I believe that makeup is all about building and all about artistry, and I really want you guys to experience going from one look to the other. So let me get my eyebrow stuff. And I'm back with our Edge Precision Brow Pencil. This is an amazing product. It's clean and it is infused with vitamin E, so it's very good for your brows and your skin. This is our award-winning pencil, and I'm going to use it in 2 colors today. This is Ash Brown and Taupe. I'm going to start by building the edge of my brow. See how simple that is? Now I'm going to use upward strokes to fill in the patchy bits. Now I'm going to use Ash Brown to give it more dimension. I'm going to brush them up again using that super soft spoolie, and I'm doing this to give the product a super natural finish. Okay, so now that I am done with my brows, I love to contour with bronzer. This is our Power Sculpt Velvet Bronzer. It's in shade medium level 5, and I'm so proud of everybody at our company for developing this with me. This product is infused with fermented arnica, and fermented arnica is 860% more potent than conventional arnica. And what it does is when it's on the skin, it helps to reduce inflammation and redness. Just tap right here and give it a little. And now I'm gonna start just at the bottom of my cheekbone and work in circular motions on the way up. You can see that payoff already and how it's warming up my look. What I really love about this is it goes on so smoothly like a second skin. It doesn't even feel like a powder, and guess what? It's talc free. I am now going to show you what this look would look like if we were to complete it with a lip. So this is our Le Monster lip crayon in Rose Matte. This is one of my favorite colors. This is also packed with mango seed oil and is very nourishing for your lips, even though it's matte. I'm going to top this off with our lip oil. Why is it important that a lip product is clean? I have read that in her lifetime, a woman can consume between 4 to 9 pounds of lip product. These products are completely clean. There's prickly pear oil, and there's also vegan collagen in this lip oil. This is our lip oil stain in Secondary. If you want to, you can stop right here. Since I've been an artist for a long time, I'm gonna start to amp up my look a little bit, and here we go. This is our Bio Radiant Gel Highlighter in Rose Quartz. It's an absolutely beautiful highlighter that is also infused with that fermented arnica, so it has that amazing skincare in it. It's also talc-free, and look at that beautiful shine and payoff. This is more of a glow than a glitter. So start at just the apple of your cheek and work your way up. And there you go. One swipe is all you need. I'm gonna really take this look up a notch with our high power pigment paint, now in Citrine Matte. So I'm gonna put a little bit right here. I'm going to take a brush that looks like this, and I'm going to use this high power pigment paint like an eyeliner. And just give it a second to sink into the skin. It has plant squalene in it and hyaluronic acid. I'm going to use our Optic Intensity Eco Liner in White Onyx Matte. I use this in my waterline. It has argan oil as well as vitamin E in it, so it's super waterline safe and it's clean. And you're gonna see how it's just gonna make my eyes look bigger. It's creamy, it's blendable. Again, you can stop here. I'm gonna keep going. And this is something I am very, very proud of. This is also our Optic Intensity Eco Liner, but this is Black Onyx Matte. This is a very, very black matte eyeliner that is carbon black free. And use the brush just to blend it up. And I would love to show you how pigmented it is. They told me that I could not make a black eyeliner without carbon black that would be black enough, and I did. So there's my look. I'm super proud of it. I think it's good to be proud of your artistry. I think it's important to have fun. I remember when I was really young, I used to gaze into the windows of artistry makeup stores, and I used to dream about the person that I felt like on the inside that I didn't feel was expressed on the outside. I can't thank the beauty community enough for the way that you have inspired me for so many years to be myself and love who I am and be proud. And it took us a few years, but I feel like I finally realized that the makeup company that I wanted to build was a makeup company that made makeup that mattered. Makeup that's good for your skin, makeup that's clean and good for the planet, and makeup that is colorful and doesn't compromise color for your values. So I love you so much. I hope you like this look today. There's many more to come. And most importantly, I'm excited to see the looks that are gonna come from you. Love, Lady Gaga.